In search of a quick and healthy breakfast option, let the city that never sleeps introduce you to a dish that will keep you energized and satisfied. Straight out of the heart of the Big Apple, we present the keto broccoli and cheddar frittata. Imagine starting your day with a dish that takes a mere 5 minutes to prepare and serves up a powerhouse of nutrients. Picture 3 eggs, a tablespoon of butter, a quarter cup of cheddar cheese, a quarter cup of broccoli florets, and a pinch of salt and paprika. This is our cast of ingredients, and they're ready to make a magic in your kitchen. First, take a heat-proof dish and brush it with butter. This not only prevents our frittata from sticking, but also adds an extra layer of rich flavor. Next, beat in the eggs, salt, and paprika. This is where we build the base of our frittata, laying a foundation of creamy, spiced eggs that will puff up beautifully in the microwave. Now mix in the cheddar cheese. This will melt into a gooey, delicious layer that perfectly complements the fluffy eggs. Finally, top your creation with the broccoli florets. These little green trees add a punch of color and a crunch that contrasts wonderfully with the soft frittata beneath. Next, set your dish in the microwave for about 3 minutes. You'll know it's ready when you can insert a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean. And there you have it. In less time than it takes to toast a bagel, you've prepared a breakfast that boasts 377 kilocalories of energy, 24 grams of protein, 30 grams of fat, and a meager 2 grams of carbohydrates. The keto broccoli and cheddar frittata is more than just a quick breakfast. It's a delicious, nutritious start to your day. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Enjoy this New York-inspired dish and take a bite out of the Big Apple no matter where you are.